Listen and practice. Listen and practice. Love story. There was a boy who was crazy. He loved a girl very much. But the trouble was that the girl was blind. But still the boy wanted that girl with all his heart. Keeping every need of that girl in mind and tried to help her family in every possible way. The girl also started liking him slowly. But due to being blind, she used to be very sad. She often used to say to that boy, "You marry someone else, otherwise the world will not let me live," and will taunt that the girl has trapped the boy in false love. The boy would get sad after hearing this from the girl. But the boy wanted her with all his heart. He knew that the girl also loved him. But due to not being able to see, she asks to marry someone else. One day the boy determined to get the girl's eyes fixed and got her eyes checked by an eye doctor in a very big hospital. After the checkup, the doctor said to the boy, "This girl can see the world again, provided someone donates her eyes." After thinking for some time, the boy asked the doctor to operate on the girl's eyes. The girl's eyes were operated on and everything was fine. After some time, when the blindfold was removed from the girl's eyes, the girl first expressed her desire to meet the boy. But when the girl met the boy, she came to know that the boy is also blind. The girl's heart sunk. He did not know what punishment he had kept towards the boy who seemed to be breaking him in an instant. But seeing that girl getting water on all her expectations, she married another girl. When the boy came to know about this news, he could not tolerate it and he started getting sick. One day that boy died during a road accident. When the girl came to know about this news, the girl started crying loudly. Then he heard an invisible voice, "You could not handle my heart, at least take care of my eyes and stop crying." The girl found this voice somewhat familiar. It did not take long for the girl to understand why she was hearing the voice. The girl wept bitterly and loudly and began to cry to herself. But what could happen now? This story just became a blind love.